Hello, Daniel and Laura. This book is called The Elephant Who Was Scared by Rachel Elliot. Little Elephant was exploring. At first it was exciting, but then he couldn't find Mummy anywhere. Suddenly the jungle seemed very big and very, very dark. "Mummy!" he called. No one replied. Little Elephant was lost. Poor Little Elephant felt very scared. He didn't know where he was, and he didn't know the way home. "I just want my Mummy!" cried Little Elephant. Big tears rolled down his cheeks and plopped onto the ground. Then he heard a scary noise. "Eek! Squeak! Help!" whimpered Little Elephant. He tried to hide inside the long grasses, but he was too big. "Eek! Squeak!" The noise was getting closer. Little Elephant looked up. Who are you, he asked. "Eek! I'm Fruit Bat," said the creature in the sky. Little Elephant smiled. He felt a bit better. "I'm Little Elephant," he said. "I'm lost." "Follow the stars," said Fruit Bat. "The stars will guide you home." Little Elephant looked at the bright stars twinkling in the dark sky. Little Elephant didn't feel so alone anymore. But then he spotted two big scary eyes staring at him. "I'm Bush Baby," said a kind voice from the tree. "I'm lost," said Little Elephant. "Can you help me?" "Follow that path," said Bush Baby, pointing. "The stars will light the way." Little Elephant ran down the path. But then he heard a scary noise coming from the bushes. "Wah! Wah!" Little Elephant's knees knocked together. Then he thought about Fruit Bat and Bush Baby and the stars. He took a deep, brave breath. "Hello," he said. "I'm Little Elephant. Who are you?" "I'm Baby Leopard, and I can't find my way home," said the spotty creature as big tears ran down his face. "I'm lost too," said Little Elephant. "Let's follow the stars together so we don't feel scared." Baby Leopard gave a shy smile. "Let's run," she said. Little Elephant and Baby Leopard ran side by side. They charged through the jungle. Their feet drummed on the ground, louder and louder, faster and faster. "This is fun!" shouted Little Elephant. At last they reached Little Elephant's home. Baby Leopard lived just around the corner. Little Elephant told Mummy all about his adventures. Fruit Bat and Bush Baby looked scary, but they were kind. And Baby Leopard was scared, just like me. But I'm not scared anymore. Mummy gave Little Elephant a big cuddle. The stars watched over them as they both fell fast asleep.